How to fix if TikTok says that you've been following relatively too fast. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from The Solution Guy, and in this guide video I'll simply show you the way as to how you can fix if TikTok says that you are following too fast. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, then make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. Without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. Now first of all, just make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the TikTok app to the latest version, and you can do this by heading over to your respective app store, in the search box typing in TikTok, and go ahead and simply either download or update the app. After you update it, let me just go ahead and then launch the TikTok application. And the issue over here seems to be that when I try to follow a specific person on my list, it would simply say that you've been following too fast. Now when TikTok says that you're following too fast, it just means that you are actually following too fast. So TikTok basically don't has a limit as to the number of accounts you can follow. It could be due to the verification process and so on, but sometimes the ratio between which you follow people is also going to matter a lot, which means that if you've been following over 100 accounts within one single hour, then TikTok is going to assume that as a spammy and bot-like behavior, which is why they're going to put some restrictions in your account for a certain period of time. Now in most cases, that would simply get our job done while waiting up to a couple of hours or 24 hours at the maximum before we can try to go ahead and then follow somebody again. But what I'll just recommend you do is try to decrease the ratio between which you try to follow too many people at the same time, because when TikTok notices that, of course they're going to think that it was a spam behavior. If that still doesn't help solve your issue after a week, let's say, or after a month, then we can only do one thing, that is to report a problem to TikTok. And in order to do that, just tap on the profile icon from the bottom right corner of the screen, tap on the three lines from the top right corner, select the option called settings and privacy. Once you go to settings and privacy, over here you have to scroll down to the bottom and select the option called report a problem. Once you tap on report a problem over here, you simply have to tap on the edit icon on the top right corner, again tap on the similar icon from the top right. Now we just have to let TikTok know that we have been putting a stop to our following list. We have actually tried to change our password and do multiple things, but still we're not being able to follow a specific number of people on TikTok. And hopefully if TikTok notices that, they're going to get back to you with a positive solution. And hopefully this video helps solve your problem as to how you can fix if TikTok says that you're following too fast. But as I said earlier, the best way to fix this is to simply wait and be patient up to 24 hours. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you've got any more questions, queries or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.